Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever time you're watching. I am at a very prestigious car show today. I'm at Denby's Vineyard in Dorking. Now, it's very overcast, but it is so hot. Anyway, I'm going to take you on a tour. That was good timing, wasn't it? I'm going to take you on a tour around all the lovely cars, and we've got some cars that aren't related. So Denby's here today is purely Porsche, Mercedes and BMW. So that's what it's all about today: Porsche, Mercedes and BMW, and the odd other classic cars that are thrown in over here. But I'm going to take you around the whole thing. Just enjoy it. Welcome to Show Off Your Mercedes and More. Okay, we're going to start the show. I stand corrected. It's also German related cars, so like Audi and Volkswagen as well in this car show. I'm just going to turn the car around. I'm just going to turn the GoPro around. Oh dear, this is how it's all going to begin for me. So let's have a little look. So I'm not going to go through all the names every time I go past the car. It's just for you at home to have a look and enjoy. Now, obviously, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. That's if you like this sort of thing. Even if you don't like this sort of thing, subscribe anyway. So this is a rare one, isn't it? Straight off the bat, a Volkswagen Corrado, VR6 no less. M-Reg, M. Real. That's better than my car. Look at the condition of that. Has it had a respray? Or is it the original paintwork? Don't care. That's just beautiful, isn't it? I don't really care. Now, apologies, like it always is with most of these car shows, with the windows up, you're going to get the reflection. Now, you either love them or you hate them. An Audi TT. But would you love an Audi TT more if it said that on it? A 3.2. That is like hold on to your seats, isn't it? Can't really see. Again, just so beautiful. These people own these cars. They're just beautifully kept, immaculate. So what's that, 2005? So 20 years old. 20. Huh? Excusez-moi. Here we go. With another Volkswagen Corrado VR6, and that says, I don't know if that's private plate, an L-Reg. It's like a blacky maroon, I think. Again, the paintwork is superb. I remember when I was younger and these came out, they weren't really looked at, but now they come into their own. Okay, moving on. No introduction. A Volkswagen Golf CL. Sometimes when you see when you see the beauty of these cars, when they haven't been sort of all nicely polished and resprayed and everything, you're kind of seeing, so this is a C reg apparently, it might not be, but you're kind of seeing it, how I expect older cars to look as they get older. Hence, you see all the rust and everything else. And the owner picked no bones about it. But it's still going today. Got a different set of seats in there, Cobra, so it could be a project car. Who knows? You see, now this is what you call an untouched engine. With the, where is it? Yeah, it's just gone under there, grasshopper. But totally untouched. That's how they used to look. Then we've got the film star. Herbie is here. Isn't it great? This one's got its window open so you can have a look. 85,000 miles. Nice little rag top at the top there. And for all you bug fans, there's the rear end. I'm not really a lover of these Volkswagen Beetles. They're not on my radar, but it's cool, isn't it? It's a cool car. Then we go up to the modern with an RS4, Audi RS4. I don't really know anything about, but how years have gone by. How they, nice little saloon as well. Those lovely seats, look at that, RS4 embossed on the seats. 6-speed gearbox, manual. Again, pristine. And it's a 2004. So what's that, 21 years old? Nearly 22. Love the number plate, fly. And here we go with another Volkswagen Golf. Again, you get to see it in this lovely, lovely red. Now, I don't know what engine's that. You VW people would know more about it. Well, check that out. This, obviously, I think it's been, I don't know. Another engine put in? Don't know. But again, such a lovely, you know, they did red well on the Volkswagen, especially the Golfs. It always looks good in red. Harley Davidson. Like a Harley. If you like your motorbikes. Another Audi TT. And yet another red Golf. And the wonderful Volkswagen Scirocco with the cream interior. Now this was the one to have when you had the white with the cream interior. That was the one to have.
Oh yeah.
Nice little auto. That lovely checkered interior, look.
You know, even this one with the rather slushy auto box still handles nicely enough. I can only imagine actual power motor.
Beautiful.
Better.
Right, I'll pause the video and then we're going to go on to, I think, a few Porsches. Okay, so we're on to a Porsche section. I think this bit here is pretty much the Porsche section alone. So, this may be part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, because, let me just show you around, because it is quite a big show. So it may be a part 1, part 2, part 3, but we'll try and get them in without doing so many parts. But anyway, just enjoy, let's carry on. So only a nice Porsche 944. It's got the, so it's been slightly modified, got a roll cage in there. Bucket seats, switches, oh my God knows what. I'd like to see what's underneath that bonnet, my word. Something tells me that's not a 2.5 litre that's underneath there. Look at the size of that exhaust. Now if you had the money, what would you be buying? A Porsche? Mercedes? BMW? Audi? Volkswagen? If you had 20 grand spare in your hand, what would you be buying when you look around at these cars? I have no idea exactly what I would be buying if I had 20 grand spare. Put it this way, you wouldn't buy a lot for 20 grand. They've come so far, haven't they? I mean, when you look at, how old is that one? So that's a Y reg. And then you come right up to it. And when you see these on the road, they look tiny. When you get up alongside them, they are massive.
Yours a coupe? Yeah. I've had it for...
Wow.
built last year.
Lovely. You've got to be definitely a Porsche fan. It's a pair there, look.
Nice pair.
Yeah. So this one, it's got like the cloth interior. Now I don't know anything about Porsches, so you can kind of make up your own mind. Nice leather in that one. I don't know what the difference is. And there's the rear.
It's about the ownership and the members.
And then you've got a beautiful, beautiful one. 911 Carrera S. I mean, it is what it is, isn't it? Utterly beautiful. Maybe this floats your boat. Maybe this is something you'd want to buy if you had a little windfall.
Sure, the guy that lives here said he didn't die in that car. Didn't he? Everyone seems to think.
This one's got a bit. Oh, this one's for sale.
Oh, maybe it was the model. We all said it was 356. He said it wasn't. There's definitely something there.
So it cost them originally, don't know if you can see that, £56,000. This cost them originally,
No.
but it's up for sale.
I think it was a prototype or something. It wasn't the 356.
I'm not too sure. What, you know, it's the number there. It's done 48,000 miles now. So there's the telephone number if you fancy wanting to buy yourself a nice Porsche. And the one next door to it's for sale as well. Little pop-up headlights. And this one's up for just shy of £12,000. There we go, here's a mobile number. Pause the video.
Just pushes in there to make it look good. You know, oh, it's all about tricks. Before of everything. Yeah, I have, yeah, I've tried to. Thank you.
Going back to the blue one, this is the rear end of the blue one. That's up for sale. Yeah, not sure I'd want to buy it. Right, let's cut across. And we're onto a Porsche Speedster, apparently.
It still looks like a genuine generator. You know you can use it too. Yeah, that is on your phone. Yeah, I looked at that. I'm not that clever. I'm not that clever, mate.
Yeah, the same here. I would just.
I'm not that clever.
I wouldn't know what to say. You know what I mean?
Like I said, one of
Just going to stand back a little bit and walk past. 944, such a lovely shape. I owned a 944 when I was about 30 years old, and it was like a metallic blue. It's like a really nice metallic blue, maybe dolphin blue, I'm not sure. Just a little bit darker than this one, I think. But so yeah, still got the style in, isn't it? Porsche Boxster. Have a little look inside this one because the roof's off. Everyone likes a sports Boxster. We're not sure why. Perhaps you can tell me why everyone loves the Porsche Boxster. I mean, they do look good. I don't know anything about the engine or anything like that, but it's a Porsche, innit? Of course we like it. Then we go into a 944 convertible. Not very many around now.
Yeah, so I imagine that's quite a good idea. Yeah, because my neighbour, funny enough, he lives.
Nice little convertible, especially in today's weather. I'm walking around, I'm getting sweaty. Nice yellow one. I'm going to Porsche Targa Top. Very nice indeed. Right, I'm going to end the video on the yellow Porsche Targa Top as a part one because there is so much to do, and the video will just go on and on and on and on. So join me on the next video of part two of Denby's in Dorking. Thanks for watching.